Well, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find your WordPress username and also how to reset your WordPress password. So what you're going to do, you're going to simply log in into your cPanel. cPanel is the control panel. So you write your domain name, then /cPanel, you press enter. So you need to feed in the username and the password for your cPanel. Then when it opens, you go to a section of databases, you click on phpMyAdmin. It is loading the interface of phpMyAdmin. So this is the interface of phpMyAdmin. So you click on the database name as you're seeing. It is loading our database name. So it's going to load the various tables in our database. So you go to the table of users. So you scroll down, you go to the table having WP users. So when you click on it, since I want to reset the password because I'm able to see the username it is support team, as you're seeing, that is my username, support team. So what I need to reset this password. So I'm going to paste that password. I'm going to use this password. Then here I have to change this and I link it to MD5. MD5, it is a message digest algorithm that encrypts this data for security reasons. So after that, you go down here, you click on go. So they have saved our new password. So when I try to go back here and I try to log into my WordPress admin panel, I feed in the username and the password, the new password that I've created. I click on login. It has logged into my WordPress admin panel. So that's how you're able to reset your WordPress admin password. Thank you so much.